Welcome to Parivish World. Today we're taking you on a journey through one of Istanbul's most iconic landmarks, the Sultan Ahmed Mosque, also known as the Blue Mosque. I'm going to show you the Sultan Ahmed Mosque, also called the Blue Mosque, one of Istanbul's most well-known sites in today's video. In addition to being a place of worship, this stunning structure is a superb illustration of Ottoman architecture. Together, let's explore it and discover its design, history, and serene ambiance.
Sienna says entrance from there. People are still coming. Cammino un po'.
As we enter the mosque, you can see many people taking photos and videos. Everyone wants to capture the beauty and peaceful feeling of this special place. The construction of the Blue Mosque took place between 1609 and 1616. Sultan Ahmed I, who was just 19 years old at the time, gave the order. He desired to leave a magnificent and strong legacy that could rival the splendor of the Hagia Sophia, which is located just across the square. Sedefkar Mehmed Aha was the mosque's architect. He studied under the well-known Mimar Sinan. Mehmed Aha created a distinctive and beautiful design by fusing Byzantine concepts from the Hagia Sophia with traditional Islamic designs. Sultan Ahmed was buried in a unique tomb within the mosque complex after he died young. The 6 minarets of the Blue Mosque are one feature that sets it apart. Mosques typically only have 1 or 2. The mosque was unique at the time because of the audacious decision to have 6. Viewed from a great distance, these enormous towers are utilized for the call to prayer. Four enormous pillars, known as elephant feet, support the enormous dome in the middle of the mosque. There are smaller half-domes all around this large dome. The roof's weight is distributed by this design, which also produces a lovely layered appearance. It creates an air of openness, light, and tranquility within the mosque. The Sultan Ahmed Mosque is its official name, but because of the more than 20,000 handcrafted Iznik tiles within, it is also known as the Blue Mosque. A large number of these tiles come in various colors of blue. The mosque's serene, lovely atmosphere is enhanced by the sunlight streaming through its more than 200 stained glass windows.
Только два. Do you know where did you go?
People travel from all over the world to visit the Blue Mosque. It is well known for its history and serene atmosphere in addition to its beauty. Many tourists are eager to experience the appearance and atmosphere of an authentic Ottoman mosque. And keep in mind that it is more than simply a museum. It is still a functioning mosque.
Por favor, use sus zapatos fuera de la plataforma. Lütfen ayakkabılarınızı platformun dışında giyiniz. Please wear your shoes outside of the platform. Пожалуйста, носите вашу обувь за пределами платформы. Por favor, use sus zapatos fuera de la plataforma. Lütfen ayakkabılarınızı platformun dışında giyiniz. Please wear your shoes outside of the platform. Пожалуйста, носите вашу обувь за пределами платформы. Por favor, use sus zapatos fuera de la plataforma.
The Blue Mosque is not merely a place for tourists to see. It represents the rich cultural and religious history of Istanbul. If you are in this wonderful city, don't pass up the opportunity to experience this serene and motivating location firsthand. A spacious courtyard greets you before you enter the mosque. The size of this courtyard is about equal to that of the mosque. It is encircled by covered walkways that have arched ceilings and marble columns. The peaceful and quiet area is ideal for unwinding or admiring the building's grandeur. At the courtyard's main entrance, a massive iron chain hangs from the top of the arch. This chain served a function. The chain forced Sultan Ahmed, who was riding a horse into the mosque, to bow his head in a gesture of humility and respect before entering a hallowed space. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to Parivish World for more videos.